everyone, Leonardo Paiva here, back with another video. In this updated guide, I'll show you step by step how to turn off your Facebook online status. In this video, I'll demonstrate on a computer. If you like this type of content, check out my other related videos. Subscribe, like, and I'll keep making more videos for you guys. So, let's get started. I'm already on my computer and online. First, click down here and look for the contacts option. You'll see your online friends and they can see you too. To disable this, click on these three dots in options. You'll see settings for call sounds, which you can turn on or off, and message pop-up sounds, which you can also disable. But what we want is further down. Scroll a bit and you'll see online status active. To deactivate, click on it. Activated, it'll deactivate this selection key. You'll be offline for everyone. Can I do it for just some people? Yes, it's possible. Click this option. You'll be online for some. You can edit who sees you online. There's also an option to be offline. You can choose who won't see your online status. So up here, everyone sees you offline. Below, you can pick who sees you online and also who doesn't see you online. Just click Edit. Choose people for these settings. Got it? Offline for all or some? I've put it in comments. Subscribe for more tutorials. I'm out. Big hug. God bless. Thanks.